Hi everyone. Tesla has its gigafactories, but Xiaomi counters with its first hyper factory. How is this beautiful, innovative, and intelligent Xiaomi manufactured? Is Xiaomi's production environmentally friendly? And do they produce quality? That's what we're gonna explore today. And then we'll take a look at Xiaomi's future plans. Let's get started.
On the roof of the Xiaomi Hyperfactory, there is a distributed photovoltaic power plant with a capacity of 16.2 megawatts, covering an area of over 150,000 square meters, equivalent to about 22 football fields. This power plant is expected to generate approximately 16.4 million kilowatt-hours of electricity annually, enough to power nearly 5,000 households. Consequently, it will reduce carbon emissions by nearly 10,000 tons per year and absorb an amount of carbon dioxide equivalent to the effect of 540,000 trees annually. The photovoltaic project of the power plant has an expected lifespan of over 25 years and will provide long-term, continuous renewable energy for Xiaomi's automotive production.
Yes, Xiaomi Motor is already sustainable on the outside. The factory is in Beijing. The picture shows phase 1 of the company's premises, which is about 50 football fields in size. Phase 2 will be completed in 2025. Together, that's 100 football fields. Let's take a look inside the factory.
Within the manufacturing park, research and development, production, sales, and customer experience are seamlessly integrated. There are 6 dedicated workshops for assembly, bodywork, painting, stamping, die casting, and battery production, all designed exclusively for new energy vehicles. Now, let's take a look at Xiaomi's Hyper Die Casting machine. This technology features enormous die casting machines that push the boundaries of what is possible. Unlike traditional methods, which required multiple parts to be manufactured and assembled separately, Xiaomi's approach significantly enhances efficiency and quality. A prime example is the rear floor of the Xiaomi SU7, which previously consisted of 72 individual parts but can now be produced in a single cast. At the heart of this technology is the proprietary Xiaomi Titan aluminum alloy. This unique alloy combines strength, toughness, and stability while maintaining a lightweight profile. This combination allows for a robust construction that meets the highest safety standards while optimizing the vehicle's driving dynamics. Another advantage of Xiaomi Titan aluminum is its environmental friendliness, as it enables the use of recycled aluminum, thereby reducing carbon emissions. The outstanding performance of this alloy is reflected in the torsional stiffness of the Xiaomi SU7, which at 51,000 Nm per degree is twice that of conventional gasoline vehicles. This results in not only more agile and precise handling but also enhanced protection for rear seat passengers in the event of a rear-end collision. Xiaomi's die-casting technology goes far beyond the development of innovative materials. The company handles the entire process chain in-house, from material development to manufacturing, ensuring the highest quality and precision. One example is the AI-driven simulation system for multi-material properties, which optimizes the alloy formula and maximizes material performance. Furthermore, Xiaomi employs a visual quality assessment system for large models that detects even the smallest defects with the utmost accuracy. This meticulous control ensures that only top-quality products leave the production line. A 100% fully automated assembly system for exterior panels ensures assembly precision of up to plus or minus 0.5 mm. Automated visual assembly robots handle the precise automatic assembly of medium to large parts. Fully automated logistical loading systems ensure efficient and error-free material transport. Fully automated UV light and floor LiDAR detection guarantee seamless quality control at every production stage. Additionally, Xiaomi's AI-based XI system replaces human precision with an accuracy of over 99.9%, ensuring efficient error-free production. Instead of traditional wet painting, the factory uses a dry cardboard spray booth. This technology efficiently collects paint mist, reduces wastewater, and minimizes environmental impact. Xiaomi Motor employs low-emission coating processes and environmentally friendly exhaust gas purification designs to minimize pollution, striving for zero heavy metal emissions in wastewater. VOC emissions are 50% below the Beijing standard. The factory continuously invests in intelligent manufacturing technologies, combining advanced technology with traditional production methods to enhance quality efficiency. Over 700 robots support the automation of all key processes, enabling the production of a new Xiaomi SU7 every 76 seconds. Xiaomi Motor adheres to a sustainable production concept, employing long-term valuable and demanding methods. The future focus on scientific and technological innovations aims to promote green and intelligent manufacturing and create a sustainable future. With the planned completion of the second phase of the Xiaomi Hypercomplex in early 2025, production capacity will increase to 300,000 to 400,000 electric vehicles per year. Lei Jun, the CEO of Xiaomi, aims to make the company one of the top 5 automakers in the world within the next 10 years. To achieve this goal, Xiaomi plans to sell around 6 million vehicles annually. Xiaomi's speed and efficiency in the automotive sector are particularly noteworthy. In just 3 years since announcing the production of an electric car, Xiaomi has developed a vehicle with an emotional design, built a manufacturing facility, and obtained all necessary regulatory approvals. In comparison, German manufacturers take up to 7 years to develop a new model, even when they already have established factories and production facilities. This remarkable achievement underscores Xiaomi's potential to meet its ambitious goals. Additionally, with over 640 million active Xiaomi smartphone users, the company is uniquely positioned to leverage synergies between its technology platforms and create a comprehensive ecosystem for its vehicles. Currently, Xiaomi is focused on delivering pre-orders and optimizing the supply chain, continuously gathering feedback from buyers that directly feeds into improving production processes. A top-tier design team at Xiaomi is currently developing 2 new models, an affordable car and an SUV, both aimed at competing with the latest Tesla models. These new models from Xiaomi have already generated significant interest. Thousands are eagerly awaiting their launch, reflecting the strong confidence in Xiaomi's innovative capabilities. In 2025, Xiaomi will introduce these 2 new models. The Xiaomi SU7 sees the Tesla Model 3 and Model S as its main competitors. In terms of performance and size, it positions itself between these 2 models but is priced below the Model 3. The upcoming Xiaomi SUV will be performance-wise between the Tesla Model Y and Model X, with a price below the cheaper of the 2 Tesla SUVs. The eagerly awaited affordable car from Xiaomi will be positioned between the Tesla Model 3 and the announced low-cost Tesla car, posing a serious competitive threat in terms of price. Through this strategic positioning and automated quality control, Xiaomi is establishing itself in the realms of affordable electric cars and high-performance SUVs, reaching a broader customer base. The combination of advanced technology, attractive design, and competitive pricing makes Xiaomi a formidable contender in the global automotive market. Lei Yun, the CEO of Xiaomi Motor, has repeatedly emphasized in his press conferences that Xiaomi's greatest strengths lie in its intelligence and economy. With over 3,400 employees in the research and development department and substantial expenditures that far exceed the typical development funding by more than tenfold, Xiaomi invests significantly more than average automakers in developing a new model.
Porsche dealers in China have already complained about 33% drop in sales and blame the SU7. What do you think about the electric car company Xiaomi Motor? Please write in the comments and let's talk about it. If you want to know more about the SU7 hype, here's a video about it. Thank you for staying tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance and see you next time. Goodbye.